Welcome to GetGlimpse channel. GitHub Copilot has been a game changer for code completion, but the introduction of the GitHub Copilot agent marks a significant leap from simple assistance to autonomous action. The agent transforms Copilot from a passive AI, that is pair programmer, into an active teammate. It can perform complex, multi-step tasks for you. Here is how the GitHub Copilot agent can boost your development workflow and how you can get started. What is the GitHub Copilot agent? The Copilot agent is a new, advanced capability within GitHub Copilot. While the traditional Copilot provides code suggestions and chat-based help, the agent takes on a high-level, multi-step commands and executes them on its own. Think of it this way. We have a traditional Copilot. You type def find underscore user underscore by underscore ID and the Copilot completes the function. We also have Copilot agent here. You assign an issue to Copilot on GitHub or type a command in Copilot chat like find and fix all bugs related to user authentication in the auth directory. The agent then plans, executes, and iterates on a solution until the task is complete. The agent works by leveraging a reason and chart, that is React loop. It reasons through a problem, decides which tools to use, like file editing, running terminal commands, or accessing the web, then executes the action, and then evaluates the results. If something goes wrong, it replans and then tries again. These are some of the key features that boost your workflow in it. The first one is autonomous task execution. The agent can work in the background on a variety of tasks, freeing you up to focus on more complex or creative work. It can first fix bugs, that is, identify, diagnose, and fix bugs in your code base. It can also add new features. It can implement a new feature from a high level description. We also have refactor code. It can refactor a file or even an entire directory for better readability and performance. It can also update documentation. It can generate and update readmes or in-code documentation. It can write and run tests, create new unit tests for your code, and run them to ensure everything is working correctly. Now, we also have the second feature here, which is full project awareness. A major advantage of the agent is its ability to understand your entire project's context. It can read and analyze multiple files, identify dependencies, and make changes across your whole code base, not just the file you have open. This is a game changer for large-scale refactoring and project-wide updates. We also have the third one, which is human in the loop control. You can approve, deny, or even modify the plan. This ensures you maintain full control over your code base and provides a valuable learning experience by seeing how the agent plans to solve a problem. We also have seamless integration with GitHub. The agent is deeply integrated with GitHub's native workflows. This integrates the agent directly into your team's existing CL/CD and code review processes. Now, this is how to get started. To use the GitHub Copilot agent, you need a paid subscription to GitHub Copilot. That is either Pro, Pro Plus, Business, or Enterprise. And the latest version of the Copilot extension in your IDE, that is Visual Studio Code, as an example. Now, go ahead and enable the agent. In VS Code, just open the VS Code like this one here. Now, open the command palette. That is using Control or Command plus Shift plus P, like this. Now, search for GitHub Copilot Agent in here and ensure it's enabled in your settings. Now give it a task. In GitHub, go to an issue in your repository and assign it to Copilot. In your IDE, open the Copilot chat sidebar and give it a clear, concise command in natural language. For example, fix all linting errors in the src/components folder and jsdoc comments to all functions, just the way you see here. Now go ahead and review and iterate. The agent will work in the background and present its proposed changes, review the plan and the code changes it has made. If you need changes, you can simply reply to the pull request with your feedback and the agent will update its solution. The GitHub Copilot agent represents the next evolution of AI-assisted development. By offloading routine, multi-step tasks to an autonomous teammate, developers can spend more time on creative problem solving and building high quality, high impact software. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.